Hello, and welcome to bakersfieldinternet.com and video series on WordPress blogs. Today's video is on how to create a post in your WordPress blog. But before we begin that, I'm going to show you just a couple of different WordPress blogs so you can see what they look like. bakersfieldinternet.com is a WordPress blog. As you can see here, that all these are posts on our blog, and you can check them out if you go to bakersfieldinternet.com. These are different pages, and that will be covered in a different series. Another blog layout would be mybakersfieldprinting.com. This is another WordPress blog. Everything on here is a post. This is a post, and these are posts right here. And you can click on them and you can see the information. Today we're going to focus on Bakersfield News. The website is onebakersfield.com, and that's O-N-E, onebakersfield.com. And we're going to create a local news story and put the photo, the title, and the content on here, and of course the information that has to go with the story. So to do that, we need to log into our dashboard, and that would be the domain name.com/WP for WordPress dash add login. WP dash login, and that takes us to this page. And of course, you use your username and password that was set up when you created your account. And by the way, if you are an advertiser on One Bakersfield or a member of the Bridal Association of America or the Kern County Bridal Association, you are entitled to a domain name and hosting for free, and we will set you up a WordPress blog. If you are hosting your account with us, we will do the same thing. We'll set you up a WordPress blog at no charge, just for being a client of bakersfieldinternet.com. So let's go ahead and create a post. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the word post on the left hand side in the menu. This brings up all of our posts that we've made so far. If this is your first post, it would probably say something like hello world. That would be the default for WordPress, and you just delete that and you start fresh. So you can either hit add new up here or add new right here. Both will take you to the exact same place where you place your post. The first thing we're going to begin with is your title. A couple things to consider when writing your title. You want it to be appealing to both human eyes and to the search engines, Google, Bing, all those different sites, so that they index your site and your content gets read, which is ultimately what we want to do. In the interest of time, rather than write this out and write this out, we've already pre-written our story. And actually, it comes from kern.org, and it's written by one of their writers. However, it's here in our Microsoft Word document. So let's go ahead and grab our title, Abused Children Remembered. We're just going to copy that to our clipboard. Copy. Go back to our blog, and in our title, you see our cursor here. Right click, and we're going to paste that. So now we have our title. Next, we need to work on our content. This is the information that goes down here. Same thing, it's already pre-written for us. So we're just going to go ahead and copy all this right to our clipboard. Right click, copy, and we're going to paste it right here. So there's our content. Now, the content is nice and it looks good, but as with most content, it could use some sprucing up and some photos. So let's go ahead and do that. This little button right here will add an image to your blog posting. You can see where our cursor is. It's right here on the left of the word Kern County Superintendent of Schools. So let's go ahead and click that. It's going to open up a little pop-up window. We have a choice of selecting the photo from our computer, from the internet, or from predetermined images in our media library ones we've already uploaded. So let's go ahead and grab it from our computer. We're going to do that, and we need to find our photo, Abused Children Flag Raising. So let's go ahead and do that. Click open, and it uploads it right to our server. And there's a little thumbnail of the image. Okay, looks good. And this is the title. And we're going to add a little caption so underneath it has some information. Again, we've already got it pre-written. In the interest of time, you really don't want to see me write it all out. We don't have that kind of time. So we're going to go ahead and copy that and put that right in our caption and paste it there. Now, our next option in our photo is we can have the alignment done either left, centered, or right of the text, or nothing like this, and it'll be above the text. So in this case, we want to go ahead and put it on the left of the text, and we have choices of sizes. These are a thumbnail, which is kind of like this right here, or full size, which is 300 by 200 pixels. Sometimes the large and the medium will be options as well, depending on the size of the image that you've uploaded. By the way, images can only be up to 2 megabytes in size when you upload them. So let's go ahead and insert this photo. Insert, doesn't take long at all, and there it is. Not only is it there, but if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's our caption that we wrote, or that we posted in there. Again, remember, you can write this information. It doesn't need to be copied and pasted. So let's go ahead and add one more photo, but this time let's go ahead and add it to the right of this paragraph. So we're going to put our cursor here, click on image, select our file, and we're going to go ahead and grab this one, open it. It loaded it. There's our image, and let's grab our caption, and here's our caption right here. Copy it, go over here, let's paste it in our caption information, paste, and right size, but we still want it full size. Insert into post, and there it is, right there on the right of the words. Of course, now we need to post this. We're going to go ahead and post this to the category of local news. You have options of creating new categories, obviously based on what your blog topic is, whether it's printing or internet services or news, or you have a yoga studio or a DJ company or a photography or whatever it might be. Your categories are going to be different, and you can always create categories specific to your industry. In this case, like I said, it's a news site, so we're going to post it to the local news section, and we want to go ahead and publish it. So let's click on publish. Takes just a few moments. The page will reload. Ta-da! So let's go back to the site. Now here, back on our site, we see the old post. Let's refresh the page. Once we do that, you'll see there's our new post. And it actually is that fast. Here's our title. There's our information. And there's our image. So let's go ahead and click on this, and it'll actually take us to the post specific to that information. And here's our post. The other photo, the caption, the information of the story, the other photo, the caption, title, everything is there, and it actually is that simple to post. So thank you so much for watching. We'll have more videos based on WordPress blogs on everything from how to create pages, which you can see right here, how to optimize for Google, how to do the layout, your plugins, your everything that you need to know will be coming soon to bakersfieldinternet.com. So for hosting, for domain names, or for just general information, make sure you check us out, and we'd be happy to take care of you. Thank you again for watching our video series on WordPress blogs.